Phil Collins. Can you feel it coming in the air tonight? Oh Lord. Yes. Yes, Phil. You sing. Hello and welcome to another Minecraft map playthrough, where today I'll be playing The Mystery of Gliston, I believe that's how it's pronounced, by Miss Meadows 13 and Alex V Minor. I'm Lucas Scooter, and let's get straight to it. So I appear to be in my bedroom of sorts. I think this is my house. It would be awkward if this wasn't my house. And a TV, which is off. Guess I'll go downstairs. Beautiful little bar. Nothing in the oven. Another TV. Gliston Brochure by Mayor Parrish. Come on down to Gliston. We're a small town in Northland where it's always snowing beautiful little flakes. There is always something happening in Gliston. Okay, apparently I read that brochure, and it was just so wonderfully well written that I decided to start my adventure. The Mystery of Gliston by Miss Meadows 13 and Alex V Minor, as I said. It is pretty. It isn't snowing right now. Liar, you said it always snowed beautiful little flakes. Roger Denman. Welcome to Gliston. I can see you are not from here. If you need a place to stay, visit my family. They are on Ice Glen Road, second house on the right. They will take you in, just let them know you talked to me. Back to shoveling this path. Okay, second house on the right. You get back to that, Roger. Enjoy. Oh, ow, stuck on you. Wow, he's done some serious shoveling. Ice Glen Lane, is this? Downtown Gliston, Elwyn Lane, Gliston Bridge. Second house on the right. Okay, that's the first. Or is that the second? Okay, there's Ice Glen Road. Second house on the right. I think he needs to come over to his house and do it. Ringer, no. I need Rogers. Denman. There we are. The Denman residence. Is it wrong to open their mailbox? Maybe. Aw, it's so pretty. Trisha Denman. I'm so glad Roger sent you. My son Gerald went to the Elwyn's mansion for a sleepover last night. He was supposed to be home hours ago and he hasn't come back. Can you check on their house? It's the giant house on Elwyn Lane. Come back afterwards and stay the night. Alright, I'm gonna explore your house first, ma'am, and then I will go find Gerald, I believe his name is. Roger and Trisha's room. Very quaint, very nice. I assume this is the bathroom. Gerald's room. Gerald's room needs some interior decoration. Lila's room. Lila's also needs some interior decoration. Big house on Elwyn Lane. I think I saw it. I'm guessing it's that huge house right there. Right now it isn't too mysterious, and I'm supposed to be on vacation. Although helping people, of course, is always nice. Elwyn Mansion. Oh, they have some potholes there. I assume I just go through the door? Or is there a snow golem over there? Okay. Checkpoint! You think the front doors are locked. Maybe I can get in through the back. They are? Yes, they are. So apparently I'm just going to sneak through the back. And apparently someone hasn't shoveled snow here for a very long time. Olaf. I could start singing, but I won't. Wow, this is a very interesting path here. I assume this is the back. Okay, I'm not jumping in that water. It's probably all cold and freezing. The back doors are locked too. I didn't want to have to do this, but I see a window on the top floor is broken. I can't see. I guess I'll just have to trust my own judgment. I suck at parkour. Where am I supposed to go? Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. I'm not a ninny. Which window's broken? Is it that big one? No, of course, that would be too easy. Wait, did it say... a window on the top floor? Oh, okay. Ah, no. At least I didn't fall, that would have been bad. Okay, not that one. Wow. Should probably really repair that window. It's letting cold air in, letting complete strangers in. Is that Gerald? I'll go over and see whoever that is first. Hello, what's your name? The butler. That is only fine. I mean, really, who calls themselves the butler? Thank goodness you arrived. I don't know where the Elwins are. I went to fetch bread last night, and when I came back, I couldn't find anyone. This was the last room I checked, and I accidentally let the door lock behind me. I smashed the window, but I couldn't bring myself to climb down. You must go back to Trisha Denman and tell her that her son and the Elwins vanished. Okay, that just got a whole lot more mysterious. Are you sure they didn't just, like, go to a party or something without telling you? And that does explain the broken window. Although, what did you smash it with, and why aren't there broken fragments everywhere? This is all getting rather mysterious. The storyline. The door is locked from the other side. Oh, so I'm guessing there isn't, like, a key in here? That would be too easy. Do I climb down? Or is there, like, another broken window? I don't think there's another broken window. Oop. Oh. Okay, let's just fall. There. Past Olaf. I still don't think the front doors are open, and I don't think I can get in through any of these windows. Yeah, this is still locked. At least I can't get it. None of these windows are broken, I don't think. I'm probably being a complete idiot here, but I couldn't find... And I don't know why there's water here. Oh, probably to break your fall. Okay. Alright, I don't go out there, I go down here. See a hospital over there. Oh. Nope. As I said, I really suck at parkour. Nope. I keep getting caught by the edge of this roof. What? How did I do this last time? Okay, there we go. I'm not allowed to smash through this, no. What did you say again? Oh, yeah, I am an idiot. I must go back to Trisha Denman. Okay. Where was that water pool? There it is. I should really probably help him escape out of that room if he doesn't want to climb down. And he should really probably call the snow shoveler here. There's a lot of snow on these back roads. It must be hard to keep up with all this snow, though. And why exactly just because I received a brochure that said, "Come to Gliston"? I just decided to. No one was there? This is awful. Strange things have been happening in this town, and I think something happened to the Elwins, and more importantly, my son. You have to go tell the mayor in downtown Gliston. Take this note to him. Note to the mayor. Okay, I saw a sign to downtown Gliston. I believe it was back here. Nope. Going to find the mayor. I doubt he's at the hospital. Or this building that looks suspiciously like a barn. Or could it be? Nope. Althwees Pizza Parlor. Is it in here? Barbara Abraham. I think this is the shopping mall. What do you have to say, Barbara? Life is slow here in Gliston, especially with all these people missing. Our town has a population of 45, or at least did before recently. Okay. Furniture corner. Eleonora's elegant attire. The Cash Money Casino. Is this the Nova Lounge? Where is this town hall? Laundromat. Electronics. Channel 7 news station. Laurel Bakers. I hear a dog. Pet Palace. Bee-Fit Gym. Oh, yes. That is very bee-fitting. The School of Gliston. Winter Blacksmith? Whoa, where is this mayor? Okay, this looks like a pretty... Oh, no, I think it's that building. This looks like a church. Just check. Town hall. That's the church. Okay. Mayor! Oh no, has the mayor disappeared? A Thoughtful Summer by Austell Ringer. Hey, we passed the Ringer house before. The Fall of a Titan by Tory Prairie. Wow, those are some very deep titles. Aboriginal Log Carving by an unknown artist. Darkness Within by Alexis Prairie. Employees only. Carelessness by Louise Vinter. That does sum up that painting quite nicely. Should I go through this door? Council Hall. Councilman Vinter. Councilman Elwin. Councilman Elwin is no longer with us, I'm sorry. Councilman Collins. Nope. Upstairs, then? I don't think there are any other rooms downstairs. That is a beautiful carpet. Mayor Parish. Bathroom. Mayor's quarters. These rooms are particularly interesting. There's a shower. It would really suck to shower here and someone just walked in on you. Doesn't seem like a very nice shower. Mailbox. Paper only. Alright, let's put this in there. What's it say? The Elwins and Gerald Denman are missing. This is terrible news, but not surprising. You see, this has been happening in this town for weeks now. People vanish suddenly, and we don't know what's causing it. Eyewitnesses say that people enter a trance and wander into the mountains. The bridge was damaged the night Clayton Ringer disappeared. We've set a reward for whoever can stop this and find our people. A house on Ice Glen Road, and a key to the city. If you want to try, talk to the blacksmith, Handel Winter, about gaining access to the bridge. We passed the blacksmith on the way in to town, I think. Oh, I get that joke. It's an Apple computer. First Olaf the Snowman, now an Apple computer. That is a beautiful Christmas tree, by the way. It's too bad Christmas has to be ruined by all these people disappearing. Here we are at the Winter Blacksmithing. Broken. Oh. Like, oh, okay, I think I get that. There's all of these, and then nothing. Oop. Might need to fix your anvil there. Okay, go in here. The Arts and Crafts Wing. I still want to visit the... Oh, wow, that is some expensive armor. Iron armor, $3,000. Gold armor, $12,000. $200,000? Lord Charles Winter IV's diamond armor, $500,000. I don't even have any money. What about your other wares? Deposit furnace pieces here. Oh, okay, I'm guessing that's later. Winter Blacksmithing. Iron sword, $250. Bucket, $50. Cauldron, $200. I don't have enough money to buy your stuff. Handel. Ah, the mayor told you about everything. Well, it's true I can give you a key to access the bridge. However, first, you'll need to prove your ability for finding things. One of my furnaces was broken, and I need parts for a new one. There should be 8 in all. Check every nook and cranny of downtown Gliston. Alright, let's go into the Arts and Crafts Wing, then. Sponge, $5. Canvases, $25. Paint, $6 a bottle. Flower-shaped brush, $5. Painting, $40. Winter Arts and Crafts. Luis Winter. You and your husband have some very expensive wares, although, you know, villagers always pretty much. Hammering metal isn't my kind of art. Luckily, my late father let me renovate this old storage room to pursue my passion. Feel free to buy one of my fine pieces of art. No, thank you. It's not that they're bad or anything. The Frosted Mare, closed. Emmett Ethan's missing. Oh dear. Clockmaker Paul's. I sell clocks and clock accessories. If you steal from me, I'll clock you. I clock in at 8 a.m. and clock out at 5 p.m. I clock a 7-minute mile. I make clock puns around the clock. Mr. Prairie, you are my kind of guy. Just saying that now. Let's check upstairs. Is this a clock tower? Yes, it would be. Furnace piece. 1 of 8. There we go. Let's go down the other ladder just to be inconsistent. That is a very big clock right there. Ow. Door. Next building. Merde-Lieu Restaurant. And the French flag. Whoa. Joachim Francisque Pan André Savajou. I do not speak French. String for emeralds. Emeralds for arrows. Unless you are here to purchase a 5-star meal, please leave. It might not look like it, but we are very busy. Nope, it doesn't really look like it at all. Is there anything behind there? No. Let's go upstairs. See if you have a clock piece. Or not a clock piece, a furnace piece. Nothing in any of these. Nope. Okay, there's nothing in your French restaurant. Monsieur. I'll just call you Monsieur. It's easier than saying your entire full, really long name. Alexis Prairie Florists. Azure Bluets, Poppies. Okay, you have actually good prices. Just gonna say that. Why a family with the last name Prairie moved to the coldest, snowiest place on the planet, I will never know. However, business bloomed after I figured out how to grow flowers well indoors. Most people around here didn't even know what a rose was before I arrived. I like all these puns. Blue orchid, lilac, roses. Oh gosh. Tulips, sunflowers. The sunflower is my favorite flower. How did you figure out to grow flowers indoors? I guess that's like a trade secret. I wouldn't want to take it away from you. But you appear to have nothing in your shop. These doors. Doors are my nemesis, apparently. Mine bucks coffee. That's all I'll say. Yes, Colombian beans, French roast, organic vegan baked salted albino orphan beans. Yeah, if I had money, I would order an organic vegan baked salted albino orphan bean. Yeah, I don't know. I'll just talk to you. I assure you our sizes are not gibberish. You are just uncultured. Good day to you. What are your sizes? Microd, Meso, Meralo. I consider myself relatively cultured, and I think they are just gibberish. Sorry, sir. Really, I'm only here to try to find if you have a furnace piece or not. And I think your TV is broken. Nope, it appears you don't have one. I'm leaving. Maybe if I get some money, I'll come back. Meadows Lane. I assume I don't need to search there, so... The church. Wow, this is the largest group of people I've seen. Hello, sir. Cliff Laurel. Hello, traveler. Nice to see new faces around here. Then again, it would be nice to see some old ones. And you are? Andrew Prairie. I hope to one day become the pastor of this town. My family has 8 people in it, and we all seem to have different passions. Funny how the world works. Yes, it is funny. And you are? Lila Denman. My brother is missing? This is terrible. I must pray to God that he will be saved. You two seem deep in conversation, but I'll interrupt you anyway. Mrs. Collins. My son and I always sit in the front row for my husband's sermon. Phil Collins. Can you feel it coming in the air tonight? Oh, Lord. Yes. Yes, Phil. You sing. And you are, I'm guessing, like Reverend Collins? Parson? No, Pastor Collins. Welcome to our church, everyone. As you know, times have been hard here in Gliston. At times like these, we must embrace God, not abandon him. He has not forgotten us. This is a test of our will, and soon enough it will end. He will send us salvation. Keep praying for your loved ones, for your neighbors, for your townsfolk. Wherever our people are going, they will come back. My gosh, that really changed the meaning there. Do not give up on our Lord, and he will not give up on us. The force that takes the people of this town is not permanent, and it will end. Amen. Amen, Pastor. And you don't happen to have a furnace piece, do you? No? Okay. And I'm guessing this is like another lane out of town. Miner's Trail. this, like, leads completely out of town, and I just won't follow it yet. Okay. I don't know if this is part of where I'm supposed to go. Does this lead out of the Lover's Lane? Nope. So there wasn't anything in the park, was there? No hidden chests? Hello? Nope, apparently not. I better go search that other park thing then. Lover's Lane. I don't have somebody to love, though. Meadows Lane. Sorry, not Lovers. Oh my gosh. Any furnace pieces? Hello? Okay, that area is suspicious over here. Nope. Waste of time. Unless they were in the trees and I didn't see them, but I don't think I missed them. Let's check out the Christmas tree. As I said, it's a shame Christmas is ruined with people disappearing. Couldn't whoever was making all these people disappear, like, waited until the end of Christmas? Okay, apparently there's nothing by the tree. Let's go to the next building, the town hall, which I already kind of searched. Elwyn Landscaping, closed. Probably because, yeah, Elwyn disappeared. Gliston Preschool. Hey, children. Chest, melon, note block. Aww. These children have it lucky. Although they're probably all disappeared too. Preschool. Oh, this is the school, right? Yep, the School of Gliston. Why is there an iron door? It's kind of creepy. Guess you're the principal? Tory Prairie. The school building has been so cold ever since some crazy kid dropped something in the ventilation system on the roof. The janitor hasn't even thought about helping either. Let me guess. That ventilation system thingy that kid dropped is a furnace piece. And why do I hear cats? Oh, because the pet palace is nearby. That's right. This is a very beautiful school you have here, though. No students. Maintenance. Guessing it's in maintenance, and that's the only door I can go through. Which ventilation shaft would that be? Furnace piece. Can I stack them? Yes, I can. Cool. And let me just make sure there's nothing in this one. I don't think there is, but nope. That should solve your problem. So next we go to the pet palace. Nope. So, apparently, why the blacksmith would want to test us first in this time of need for the town, I don't know, but... Okay, this is just another door to this location, right? Yep. Oh, and I never checked the upstairs for the blacksmiths. Just realized that. Okay, let's go upstairs. More expensive armor pieces. What does this lead to? Oh, a little garden. Flowers, iron, gold, iron. Well, there's nothing on this floor. What about the top floor? Nothing here. Speed searching. Okay, nothing here, nothing in the bathroom. Going up another level. I do like the carpet. But there is nothing up here either. Of course, it would be too easy to have a furnace piece if he lost it around his house, because probably, he would search his house. At least you'd hope so. He wouldn't just be like, you know what, I'm a stranger, I want you to search my house. Because I'm too lazy to. Alright. BFit Gym. Welcome to the BFit Gym. I'm not probably going to be playing here. Or not playing. Water, $2, protein shakes, smoothies, and special juice. Well, if I start needing protein shakes, I know where to come now. Those are barbells. I thought that was a pair of stairs for a second there. I was gonna climb it. Punching bags. And I think that's it. BFit Gym, you are unbelievable. Ah, these doors. The Pet Palace. Dogs. Dogs for sale. Dog toys. Dog grooming tools. That's a dog grooming tool. Dog beds. Dog food. Bunnies for sale. Please do not tap on the glass. Bunny? Okay, that bunny is kind of creepy. Ask about our custom name tags. No, I'm here to ask about a furnace piece. Welcome to Pet Palace. If you want a dog, you're barking up the right tree. And if you want a cat, well, we have those too. More bunnies. Cat food. You know, they probably shouldn't have the cats and bunnies in view of each other. Just saying. I actually have some pet bunnies. If I get some money and I want a friend, I'm gonna come. But no furnace piece. Laurel Bakers. Very homey atmosphere in here. We sell all kinds of baked goods, well, except baked potatoes. But you can just pretend the bread is a baked potato. Like I pretend my family isn't missing. That's so sad. Laurel. Bread $2, cookies 99 cents. You are the cheapest thing I have seen all day. I want a cookie now. But alas, I have to solve the mystery of Gliston. Cookies must wait. Channel 7 news station. There's probably one in here. Hello, welcome to the Gliston news station. Please let us know if you have any juicy gossip to report. No, not really. Printing press. Please use with caution. Is there like a chest in there? Nope. Okay, well if I use it, I know. Recording studio. Okay. Michael Santana, Gliston Local News. Francesca Eichen. There's another furnace piece. What's that doing in the news studio? That's kind of weird. It's part of the mystery. Gliston Electronics. Welcome to GE. We have the highest of tech available in the area. We even supply all the computers to the town. That turned into kind of a direct connection. Cashiers, store. Maxwell Brassington. Customer service. Floor 1, computers and accessories. Oh, there's a staircase here. It's not a very good staircase. I have to hop. Floor 2, phones, cases. And floor 3 is music and games. Well, unfortunately, GE did not have what I needed. Oh my gosh, all of these puns and names and stuff. And there's nothing behind the counter you're in, right? Nope. I will be leaving. Goodbye then. Gliston Laundromat. Washing machines. Dryers. Washing machines. Disappointing. Is this still downtown Gliston? Supposed to search every nook and cranny. No, I think that's just a back street. Welcome to the Cash Money Casino.